Alright, good thing I stopped by there. Only took like 5 minutes, so it wasn't too bad. Alright, they got this salad here. They got this bakery here. I think all this is new. Oh. Some sort of crepe place. Got a nice decor. And then hot fruits. Oh, Dean Delucha. I always hear about this place. This is really cool. Wow, I never knew about this place. That meal was small, but actually it filled me up. My stomach is probably shrunk. That looks healthy. Oh, Korean food. Oh, I didn't know this was here. Okay, I would have eaten here. Okay, now I know it's here. Oh. What is this, Natural House? Alright, let's go inside. It's natural stuff. They all could be like organic and stuff. Vegan sweets. Interesting. Maybe I'll buy this from my coworker. She's vegan. Oh, I've been looking for these. It's interesting. They got some agave, organic. Oh, this place all must be organic. Everything's organic here. What else they got? They got rice drink. Oh, cacao. That looks good. That's cool. Cacao drink? It's made out of rice. I think it's like a milk. Gluten free. I might buy one of these. It's expensive though. Brown rice, spring water. Whoa. This place is interesting. Alright. They got some figs. I wonder if this is gluten free. These are handmade cookies. Interesting. Here they got the coconut stuff. Coconut soap. They got the organic soap stuff. Wow, this is a cool concept. They should have more of these kind of types of stores. Natural for the ladies. All sorts of stuff here. Body clay. Chocolate. Get one of these. Alright, this place is called Natural House. I got some cookies for my coworker. And I got some chocolate. Hold on. I got these little chocolates. They were like 100 yen each. And then I got just one chocolate. We'll eat it when I go upstairs. But yeah, I tend to eat gluten-free things because I think when I eat gluten, I get problems with my eye. I've been having eye problems since I've lived in China, and I think just the pollution and what is this? I think the pollution and yeah, I think it's just the pollution actually. The pollution has messed up my digestive system, so it gives me problems and I have inflammation in my eyes. So every time I go to the eye doctor and I eat some kind of gluten food, I tend to get some sort of inflammation in my eyes. So I've just taken out gluten out of my diet. And which way am I going? Alright, we just came from there. So basically I just sidetracked. What was supposed to be a brief visit ended up being all these purchases. What, am I lost now? No, we were going this way. All right, so basically that's why I fast every day. Sometimes I've done like a 20-day fast before. I'm probably gonna do a fast in the winter time this month when I have a week off. So if you're interested in that, let me know. I feel like fasting, no, I don't feel like, but I will let you know that fasting is the key to life. Fasting just is an amazing tool that you can use, and fasting has really changed my life actually. So if you want to know more about fasting, let me know. Hopefully if I ever get popular with this YouTube channel, I can have a separate health channel. So they have juice over there. Let me go that way first. I'm not sure what they're selling here. I've never seen this place. This smells like curry. Wow, that looks really good. This is like Japanese style curry. Whoa. This is more on the far end of Umeda, so there's not a lot of people here. But I think they just redid this, or they just did it, because everything looks brand new. Oh, look at this buffet. This buffet looks pretty good. 2,580 for dinner, 1,400 for lunch. I think I would actually come here for lunch. So I love how a lot of these buffets, this one looks really nice. A lot of these buffets will have even like signs that says which one has gluten and which one has wheat, soy and all that stuff, and dairy. Alright, I'm kind of lost now. I don't know where to go. I'll go this way. Is there a toilet? Look at how chic and cool this place is. Is there a toilet somewhere? No. Alright, so we're inside Grand Front Mall now. I went to the toilet there. It's really nice. There's not many people out here, surprisingly, for a Saturday. And again, there's a high case of infections recently, so I think they're telling people to stay in. So people are listening. But I think this is the... This mall has a bunch of stuff for Christmas. I don't know if you can see, but that building is lit up like a Christmas tree. But this is it. See people taking pictures. So I wanted to check out, there's a German market that happens every year, but they canceled it because of the current situation. And they usually have an ice rink. Oh, it says Umeda ice rink. Oh, there is one. There's an ice rink over here. So it's really small. This is a... This place is good for like dates. There's not that many people today, so it's nice for skating. I actually want to skate myself right now. So there's some trees that are lit up here. Osaka Station. This is the Grand Front Hotel. I'm not the Grand Front Hotel, but the Grand Front Osaka. It's a huge mall. And then they have another one on the backside here, another mall, but that mall doesn't have that many things inside. But I heard that there is some sort of like Christmas thing going on over there, so we're gonna go there right now. But first, I need to eat this chocolate. Alright, so we're gonna start with the Heavenly Organics chocolate. I'm gonna open this up here. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it because it's kind of dark. Let's try it out. Oh, it broke. It's not amazing, but it's not bad. Alright, let's try the other one. It'll be better. Put this in the refrigerator. Because in my back pocket, just melting right now. This one is the this one was the mint chocolate with white honey. This one is the espresso with honey. Alright, let's check it out. Oh. This one tastes like coffee. It's bitter. The problem is now there's no garbage cans anywhere. I have to walk around with this. Alright, next one. This is the chocolate puro organic agave. I don't know. I wish I had another hand right now. Alright. Let's see here. I don't know how to open this thing. I'll put this down first. Alright. This thing is like impossible to open. I might have to stop the camera. Alright, so if I got it open, it's really dark. This one actually tastes good. It's 73% cacao. So it's pretty good with a little bit of agave. So this teddy bear is also an attraction for this Christmas thing. That's the Umeda, what's it called? I always forget things. That's the building where you go up. What is the name of that building? Umeda Sky? I don't know. So I'm gonna finish the chocolate. We're gonna go see whatever they're doing over there and look for a garbage can, and then that'll be it. But because I have a little time right now, I just want to thank all the new subscribers and the old subscribers. My goal is to reach 200 by the end of this month. And just thank you for all the people that have been joining, and thank you for all the old subscribers, the people that have been there since the beginning, and the people that really motivate me to come if I didn't have people that watch and leave comments, I probably wouldn't even found that Thai place, because it really motivates me to go around and show you guys more of Osaka and new places. So thank you, Frank, Date-san, Mark, McBlen, and anybody else who leaves comments and help me motivate me making more videos. And Dashar, thank you very much. So I'm gonna finish this and we're gonna go.